if I subdivide this plane, as I subdivide the plane, we have more objects. This technique is useful if you have a landscape and you want to make trees or botanics. You can make it easily and make the render faster without stressing your GPU. If you see here, I have 4000 object here, but it's still one object. This is what we will do in this tutorial. If you want to use this model, it's a free add-on in Blender. To enable it, just go here in Edit, in Preferences, here in Add-ons, enable Extra Mesh Objects, and go here and select Column. Here it's rectangular, you can make it circular, and you can play with this to adjust your model as you want. Now select all, right click, convert to mesh, and after you can join it like this. Now it's one object. Okay, so I delete this one because we don't need it. Now I add a plane. S, I make it bigger like this. Now to make the instance, you must clear the location of this object. So here in x-axis, I make it in 0. So as you can see this plane, we must subdivide it. So I go here in modifier, I select the plane, and I go here and subdivide plane. So I leave it in 1 for the moment, and I go here and I select instancing. I select faces. Now select this object and go here and select plane. As you can see, this copy, but it's bigger. Select the plane and go here in scale, and now you can increase the scale. Now go back to modifier. Here in subdivide, I increase the number. As you increase the number, you have more object here. Don't worry if you see the original column. So if I select the camera and I select angle, if I go here in render the image, we will not see the original column. So as you can see, it's take me less than 20 seconds to render this image in cycles. I am in cycles, it's not AV. As you know, cycles take a lot of time to render one image. And as you can see, we have here a lot of copy, and they render this image in seconds. So you can play as you want with this, give it a texture and make it as you want. I select the plane. So if I go here in a render view, I make it like this. Now if I render the image, as you can see, it's take less than 20 minutes. If you want to use just this object without a plane, you can go here and disable this. Now you have just the column without a plane. If you want to make animation with instance, watch the video in the end.